Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something that will seriously streamline your Power BI projects, how to quickly and easily remove duplicate values from your data using Power Query. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your datasets, making sure your reports are accurate and reliable. This is one of those essential skills that saves tons of time and helps you avoid those pesky double counts or errors in your visuals. So let's get started right away. First, make sure you have your Power BI file open and that you're looking at the report you want to tidy up. To get to the right spot, we'll use a really handy tool built right into Power BI called Power Query. Think of Power Query as your data workshop. It's where you can clean, transform, and shape your raw data before it feeds into your dashboards. To access it, look towards the top of your screen and find the little icon or menu labeled Transform Data. Give that a click, and Power Query Editor will launch in a new window or pane. This is where the magic happens. Now, once you're in Power Query, take a look at the ribbon at the top. It's just like what you'd see in Excel or Word. You want to make sure you're on the Home tab since that holds all the basic data wrangling features. Within the Home tab, there's a group called Transform. This is where you'll find lots of options for editing and improving your tables. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. You'll get comfortable with this environment the more you use it. Our next step is to select the table that contains your duplicates. You'll see a list of all the tables on the left side of Power Query, almost like a navigation pane. Click on the table you want to work with. Maybe it's your sales data or a customer list, whatever you're targeting, just make sure you've chosen the correct one because the changes you make are specific to each table. It's a good habit to double-check before applying any transformation just to be safe. Now here's the key part, right-click anywhere on the table's main data grid. This brings up a context menu and among the options you'll see Remove Duplicates. Go ahead and click on that. What Power Query does here is it scans all the rows in your selected table and instantly removes any that are exact duplicates of another. It's kind of like having a super efficient assistant go through a big stack of paperwork and pull out all the repeat pages, leaving you with just a clean, tidy set. Depending on the size of your table, this process might take a few moments, especially if you're dealing with thousands or even millions of rows. Don't worry if you notice a quick pause, that just means Power BI is doing some heavy lifting in the background, making sure everything's perfect. And honestly, that's it. You've just removed duplicates from your table in Power BI. It's a simple set of clicks, but it makes a world of difference when it comes to keeping your reports speedy and your insights accurate. Remember, Power Query keeps a record of all your steps in that Applied Steps panel on the right, so if you ever want to undo or tweak something, you can go back and adjust as needed. Alright, I hope you found this straightforward and helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, it really helps the channel out. Got questions or want to see more Power BI tutorials? Drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help, and of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.